Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to this channel. This is me Alia Waheed, and in this video we are going to study about the drugs which are obtained from the animal source. So the first drug which is obtaining from the animal source is the honey. Okay, so first of all we will give a short introduction about the honey, that it is a viscous and a sweet nature, and it is a secretion of bees. Okay, so the bees are honey bees are actually secrete it. They formed honey within their body. So now we will give the scientific name of the honey bees. So next thing is the biological source. So the honeybees and their biological name, or you can say the scientific name of honeybees, is Apis mellifera. Mellifera. You will write it. Then after that, you will write the family of honeybees, which is given here. Family Apis. We will return. So family is Apicidae. Apidae. ठीक है. So Apis mellifera is the biological name and Apidae is the family. So the next thing is that how we collect them. So the next heading will be their collection. So how we are collecting honeybees. So actually there is a whole procedure of it. So first of all, the honeybees will suck the flower nectar. Okay. So I am writing here. सो फर्स्ट क्या होगा कि आपकी जो बीज होंगी, दे विल कलेक्ट द नेक्टर. कलेक्ट करेंगी वो नेक्टर ऑफ फ्लावर. Okay, and this nectar of flower, it consists of about 25% of sucrose. Okay, I am writing here that it composed of 25% of sucrose, and it consists of 75% of water in it. Okay, now after collecting this nectar from the flower, actually in the saliva of bees, in what, in the saliva of bees we have an enzyme which is called as invertase. What is invertase? Actually this enzyme is responsible for the conversion of sucrose into the invert sugar. So actually our inverted sugar is our honey. Okay, so it is what it is converting, it is converting sucrose into what, into invert sugar. So here all the 25% of sucrose which is present in the nectar flower, it is all converted into the invert sugar, which is actually our honey. Okay, now the next thing is that I am drawing a equation for it in order to understand you that how the sucrose is being converted into the inverting sugar. So actually what is going to happen here, first of all we are going to draw the structure of sucrose, which is such like that in the sucrose there is a glycosidic linkage between glucose and the fructose. Okay, so I am here, I draw the structure of glucose. Now I am drawing the structure of fructose. So here is the, this is the structure of fructose. You know very well, here are the linkages. I am not drawing these linkages. Okay, so this is the sucrose. Now what is going to happen with this sucrose? Water is reacting. Okay, so due to the water the hydrolysis will occur. Okay, what happened, hydrolysis will occur in a certain temperature and the condition of catalyst. Okay, and after providing the specific temperature and catalyst, this sucrose will break down into what I am drawing here, into glucose plus fructose. So actually this combo is called as inverted sugar. Inverted sugar, and our inverted sugar is our honey. After the formation of this inverted sugar, this will heat it up. Okay, so the next process is to heat it at the temperature of about, I think so, 80 degrees centigrade. And after heating that, and next one thing important, that this heating is why important. So this is important in order to avoid our honey collection from the fermentation. So we have a doubt that various kind of bacteria can impurify it. Okay, so in order to avoid this fermentation, we are going to heat up it up. And after heating, what will going to be happen, all the impurities flow out. So there are many impurities which can occur, so these impurities will flow out. And after that, you will remove all of these impurities, and you will filter your uh, honey by any cloth, okay, a piece of cloth. And so after that, you will give a pure extract of honey out of it. So this was actually a whole process of collecting your honey. Okay, the next thing is that we will study some characteristics of our honey. Okay, so now we are going to study what we are going to study, the some characteristic of honey. So the first characteristic of honey is that its color. We will discuss its color, its odor, and its taste. So this is very easy. I don't think so. You have to remember this. You color, you know very well that it is reddish brown in color. Reddish brown. Odor is very pleasant and very sweet type of odor it has. And next, the taste, it has very sweet and very delicious taste of it. So we have studied about the some characteristics of um, and next we will discuss that what are the chemicals which are present in our honey. So the chemical composition, so it composed of many good chemicals in it. Like first, it has a portion of sugars. It composed of many sugars in it because it is sweet in nature. So the sugars which are present in it is, first sugar is dextrose. Okay, dextrose and dextrin are very similar. Then the next is sucrose, glucose and fructose. Okay, next after this sugar, it composed of moisture and some type of essential oils. And the last thing, that it composed of various types of enzymes. So enzymes are majorly two important enzymes are present in it. Okay, so majorly two important enzymes are present. First is the invertase, and the second enzyme is diatase. Okay, so this was the chemical composition of our honey. The next thing is that we will discuss about what are the uses of honey. So the uses of honey are, first of all, it is used to treat various types of it is used to treat cold, cough, fever, and ulcers, asthma, such like that. Okay, and where in industry, what is the use of it? So industry में कहाँ पर इसका use है? So industry में it is used in the cosmetics products, in the formation of soap, and in the formation of creams. Okay, next thing, its medicinal importance. Okay, so the medicinal importance is that it act like mild laxative, that it help in preventing you from the constipation. Next thing, it has antiseptic action, antiseptic, so it is killing all types of bacteria. And the next thing is that it has sedative action. Sedatives mean it is inducing sleep in you and causing a little relaxation in your body. Okay, so this was the and it also treat the in the treatment, there is another disease which is arteriosclerosis. So arteriosclerosis means that there is the hardening of your arteries. So it is also straightening them and also dilate them in order to make the pure and the easy flow of blood out of it. Now, after studying all of these things about the honey, next thing we will discuss about the royal jelly. So, royal jelly and honey has no difference, but royal jelly is actually a milky secretion which is also ejected by the honeybees. But it is quite similar with the honeybee. Okay. So the next is royal jelly. So it is what first we you write the characteristics of it. So it is milky like secretions, milky, milky secretions are ये. And from where it is obtaining and who produce it is the worker bees. Okay, so worker bees are going to produce this. And what type of material it contains, you can say its chemical composition. So mainly it consists of water. Okay, everything is mainly consists of water. So about 60 to 75% water is present in it. And it also consists of a protein. And the most important, it consists of 12 to 15% of protein. And the most important protein in it is roya lysine. Okay, so what is the medicinal importance of it, and how why it is used? So it is used to treat asthma, liver diseases, and it is used to relieve us from the sleep trouble. And it also encourages hair growth. Okay, so this was the uses of royal jelly, which is released by honeybees. About 60 to 75% of water and protein it consists of, and it is used to treat various diseases like asthma, like liver diseases, like it induces the sleep, and it also encourages your hair growth. So this was all about our honey, which is the first drug that is obtained from an animal, which is our honeybee. And the biological name of your honeybee is Apis mellifera, and the family of honeybee is Apicidae. Then we discuss that what is honeybee and how it is collecting. I will discuss all the procedure out of it. Then after that we will discuss what are the characteristics of honey. We will discuss its color, its taste, and its odor. Then after that we will discuss that what are the chemical composition of honey. We will discuss that it consists of sugars, it consists of moist, it consists of essential oils, it consists of enzymes. And I have discussed what type of sugar and what type of enzyme they are. Then after that we have discussed what are the uses of honey. We will discuss industrial importance of it. We will discuss about the medicinal importance, and we also discuss that what type of disease are treated by it. Then at the last, we have discussed that what is the royal jelly. We will discuss that it has milky secretions and it is obtained from worker bees, not the regular bees. Okay. Then we have discussed that what is the chemical composition of it. It composed of water, mainly water, about 60 to 75%, and then it consists of proteins about 12 to 15%. And the most important protein which is present in it is roya lysine. Then after that we have discussed that what are the uses of it. It used to treat asthma, it used to treat liver disease, it used to encourage your hair growth, and it also used to treat your sleep trouble. So this was the first drug that obtained from the animal. The next drug which obtained from the animal is the musk, which we discuss it in the next lecture. So I hope that you will understand this lecture, and if you have some kind of misconceptions and confusions, then you definitely leave a comment. I will answer to you that question, that confusion. And if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, like my video, and also share it with your friends. So take care of yourself. Meet you soon in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.